Speed. Speed is my religion. The only way I feel happy is by going fast. And the sound of the engine to me is like the sound of music. And I love the sound of music. It gives me my dose of excitement. That's me, John Abraham, on this racetrack. Now we're having some fun. The corners so easily. This car is amazing. And if you see, there's just a little bit of difference between Hamilton and me. We corner the car the same way, and we get some speed on the same way. It's a Nissan GTR Sparta. This is awesome. I love this. I need Nissan to take me onto that track. I need Nissan to sign me on as one of their professional drivers. Because I think I'm not good. I think I'm very good. The handling of this car is so super easy. It's the most drivable supercar that you can talk about. You know, most supercars, you can't even take them out in the day, but this is a supercar killer.